Well, it's time to go, but I can't find the cat. I'll bet he's in the slide out. So I had this problem where my cat was hiding in the underneath the slide out whenever I camped. There's a little area in there that he really likes, and the question is, how could I stop him from getting in there and make him not want to go in there anymore? And a bunch of people said, just put pool noodles, put a pool noodle in the slot and he won't be able to get in there. Well, the pool noodle blocked him for about 5 minutes, and then he ripped the pool noodle out. I was also concerned with the pool noodle about forgetting it in there and pulling the slide in with the pool noodle in there. That's not going to end well. So I came up with another solution, and check it out. It's in this video, and at the end there's a special trick I did to get the cat not only to stop going under the slide out, but also not to even want to go under the slide out. So please join me. I'm going to be installing this 3-inch garage sweep strip on both sides of the bed to keep the cat out. But it's going to be mounted on the inside, not on the outside. So I designed these nifty brackets in Tinkercad, and I'll put a link in the video to where you can find these. These are 3D printed little brackets, and they're designed to take tiny little these guys right here. These are 4 by 1/2 inch screws. They're designed to take these screws, so you need those screws too. So as you can see, we've got those eyelets holding the wiring, and I don't want to relocate those, so I'm gonna cut my material. Hi, Bob. So it fits there. I'm not going to relocate those. I'm worried about what Winnebago did that for, and they probably know better than me. On the other side, we don't have anything to worry about. There's no wires there, there's nothing moving, so I can just put one strip over there. So I finished the first strip. Let's see how it slides in. Looks pretty good. Looks good to me. So I was unable to install the brush the entire length on the other side because of the water tank. But my cat has never gone in on that side. So I just installed a little piece there. So we've got my big piece across there where he goes in. He likes to hang out right in this area here. And we've installed a small piece over here. And let's see how the slide works. And back out again. Nice. So this is the top of the bed, and this is the bottom, and now we've installed this stuff, and we just have a very small gap there. I don't think he's going to want to get in. I hope. So here's what it looks like when it's all the way in, and you can see it's just tipping. Seems to be happy. And on the other side, same deal. Just tipping. Looks good to me. So the last thing I'm going to do, just to make sure this works, is I'm going to give him a nice little cardboard box right near where he used to hang out. And so that way, when he comes and he finds the broom stuff in the way, he'll just hopefully go into this nice little box instead.